OneSource Video is excited to announce another amazing new vendor, Genustech. Founded by seasoned production professionals, Genustech specializes in camera rigs complete with matte boxes, rails and teleprompters, camera cages, jibs, lens filters and adapters, and a multitude of many other essential and useful production accessories. Their flagship GWMC Matte Box has become the industry standard for DSLR and compact cinema camera shooters. When it's time to take your studio production on the go, add in the Genustech script shade, providing you with a convenient and sturdy tablet-sized teleprompter, which only takes a few minutes to set up. The matte boxes and script shade are also available in a number of different bundles, including an ultimate bundle complete with the teleprompter, matte box, rails, and a camera mounting base. Visit OneSourceVideo.com today to explore the wide assortment of must-have production products from Genustech. Thanks for watching.